Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix high CPU uses on your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So at first you just need to go to your start menu or search menu and type over there services.msc, and after that press enter or click on the services app over there. Once you have get this screen, you just need to find performance logs and alerts. Okay, so just double click on this performance logs and alerts, and after that make sure that it is selected as automatic. Now click on apply, then okay. After that click on start, okay, or right click and click on start. Okay, after that you just need to close this window. Now what you have to do, you just need to go to your start menu or search menu once again, type over there msconfig. Now click on system configuration. Now go to services app. Here you will get one option is called hide all Microsoft services. So just check this option. After that here you will get a lot of services which is running on your computer. So you just need to select all the services over there which is already selected in my case, and click on disable. Okay, then apply, then okay. After that you just need to restart your PC. So after restart, you just need to right click on your start menu and click on settings. After open settings window, you just need to select here Windows Update from your left side. Here make sure that your computer is up to date. Okay, so I will download and install all the updates which is showing over there. After done, you just need to go to your start menu or search menu, type over there cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. Now here in this window, cmd window, you just need to put some command which I'll give you on my video description. The command is called gp update, and just press enter. After group policy updated successfully, you just need to put the last command which is chk dsk, that means check disk. Now space c colon space /f. After that press enter, and it will take some time, and after that you have to restart your computer and it will fix your problem. Now here you need to press Y button from your keyboard and press enter. Now after that you just need to restart your computer and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.